Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic in the world of programming, Node.js.
Node.js? I've heard that term thrown around a lot, but what exactly is it?
Great question, Laura. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. It allows you to execute JavaScript code outside the web browser.
Outside the web browser? So does that mean we can use JavaScript on the server side?
Exactly. That's one of the coolest advantages of Node.js. It enables developers to build scalable network applications using a non-blocking, event-driven architecture.
Non-blocking? What does that mean in practical terms?
Good point. In simple terms, non-blocking means that when a Node.js application handles a request, it doesn't stop everything else to wait for a response. This allows it to handle multiple connections simultaneously.
Wow, that sounds efficient. But when was Node.js actually released?
It was initially released back in 2009 by Ryan Dahl. That's quite the lifespan for a technology, right?
Definitely. And you mentioned something about the V8 JavaScript engine?
Yes, Node.js is built on Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, which converts JavaScript code into machine code, making execution incredibly fast.
That's interesting. So does this mean Node.js is just for back-end applications?
Not at all. While it's popular for server-side development, it's also widely used in full-stack development.
Full stack? So it can handle both the front end and the back end?
Exactly. One of Node.js's key strengths is its rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks available via the Node Package Manager, or NPM for short.
I've heard about NPM. What can we find there?
NPM is a treasure chest of thousands of open-source libraries and tools. Developers often use it to easily manage dependencies and share their own code with others.
That makes it sound super convenient. What about performance? Why is Node.js considered efficient?
Great question. Node.js is highly efficient for building applications that require real-time data transfer. It's designed for fast execution and can manage many connections at once without bogging down the server.
Real-time applications? Can you give some examples where Node.js shines?
Sure. Node.js is perfect for applications like chat applications, online gaming, and collaborative tools like Google Docs, where users need real-time updates.
So, if I were to develop a chat application, Node.js would be an excellent choice?
Absolutely. It's one of the top choices for developers creating real-time applications due to its event-driven nature, which minimizes wait times.
And how does this compare to traditional server frameworks?
Traditional frameworks often use a multi-threaded model, which can be resource-intensive. But with Node.js, low-level system calls help manage connections more efficiently.
Got it. What about scalability? How does Node.js handle it?
Node.js uses an asynchronous architecture, which allows it to scale across multiple servers very easily. When more connections come in, it can handle them without additional overhead.
Impressive. It sounds like Node.js has a lot to offer. But is it suitable for all types of applications?
While Node.js is powerful, it might not be the best fit for CPU-intensive tasks like video processing. However, for I/O-heavy applications, it truly shines.
That makes sense. So if I want to get started with Node.js, what should I do first?
A fantastic starting point is to install Node.js from its official website. Once it's set up, you can dive into creating your first server using just a few lines of code.
Is it really that easy?
Yep. For instance, a simple Hello World server can be created in less than 20 lines. You just need to require the HTTP module and set up a response.
Wow, that's surprisingly simple. Are there any resources you'd recommend for learning more?
For sure. The official documentation is a great resource. You can also find countless tutorials online from beginner to advanced topics.
Perfect. I can't wait to get started. Thanks for the insight, Bill.
My pleasure, Laura. I hope our viewers are inspired to explore Node.js as well. It's an incredible tool for modern web development.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials.
And as always, keep coding and keep creating. See you next time.